This 1982 Porsche 911SC Coupe represents an exciting opportunity to own a classic and collectible air-cooled Porsche 911 at a reasonable price, as this one does need some paint work, as you can see, but it runs strong and it drives well. Grand Prix white with tan interior, matching numbers. You can take a look at this interior. The seats have been redone, both front driver and passenger side seats were redone. The rest is original. Steering wheel needs some attention at this time. It's got 61,000 miles. It's a good, honest car with a lot of potential. Once you paint it, you'll have a nice, presentable driver. Got the spoilers, Fuchs. Pretty sure it'll be a sharp car when it's done. Really exciting. Classic air-cooled 911.